Hey everybody, welcome to another weekly Veterans Urban Farm update. It's me, Clint with CCUA, and just like every week we're going to do a little lap around the farm and see what all's changed. With all this rain and warm weather we've been having, the farm seems like it changes on a day-to-day basis. We gotta have some new flowers, we've got some new vegetables. See, we've got some irises blooming here. Got lots more coming up. Our chives are getting ready to blossom here. You can see this one's starting to split open right there. Those are going to be real pretty. Some more irises popping. Here, and probably in our next update next week, we're going to have more irises than we know what to do with. You can see our crops are looking real good under here. The Kohlrabi. I don't know how easy it is for you all to see, but you can see that stem is starting to bulb out. We'll have some awesome Kohlrabi bulbs coming up soon. Lettuce is looking awesome. Got some folks hard at work over here planting some more lettuce. Speaking of which, this is all going to be headed to the food bank here before too long. I think that lettuce is about twice the size as it was last week when I was doing this. Got lots of beds prepped for more planting. See, our columbine down here is just going wild. Look at that. Gorgeous. One of my favorite flowers. I just love how it opens up downward like that. So beautiful. Our fig is starting to come back to life. We got a little bit of growth going on down there. Not too much. It's still pretty early. Our asparagus is looking great. We're having a lot of trouble with the asparagus beetles this year. You can see them crawling all over, eating on them, laying their eggs. But still plenty to get a quick snack. Oh, my camera switched around. Look at that. I might have been doing this backwards for a while. Our bees are super active today. Loving this warm weather, all the flowers that we've got going on. A good shot of all our asparagus popping up over there. Rain garden filling in nicely. We've got a nice little puddle going on down here after all that rain we had the last couple days. Let's see, what else? We got lots of strawberry blossoms. We're gonna have some tasty strawberries. Oh, looky there. It's a little baby strawberry right there. Been potting up a lot of our summer crops today. Tomatoes, peppers, and such. And one of them that I am really excited for is the sensitive plant, also called touch me not. I believe its Latin name is Mimosa pudica. Let's see if I can find a good example. Most of these have been hit already. Here's one. Try to get it in focus so you can see what happens to the leaves. Yeah, when you touch them, they kind of fold into themselves as a defensive measure. I'm super excited for those. We got, let's see, some roselle. Some delicious looking basil here. Can't wait for that. See, you got some borage, some more basil, some nasturtiums here. Lots of kale, some cosmos, valerian. We got spinach. Lots of lettuce, of course. Can never have too many greens. Nice little panorama view of the farm there. Go check on our laying hens down here, see how they're doing. Looks like they're hanging out in the shade today. It's a little bit warmer. I've been enjoying it though. Hello ladies, how are you doing? Say hello, you're movie stars. There you go. Chickens are happy. They've been laying a lot. I haven't eaten any of the eggs yet. I'll have to ask our farm manager Tony what he thinks about them. I imagine they're pretty tasty though. They eat pretty well here. All right, we've got our outdoor classroom. Looking pretty good, pretty free of weeds, at least as free as it can be right now. Our lettuce is looking lovely. Turnips and radishes, about ready to be thinned out. Our peas have just been absolutely chomped on by some nefarious critter. Not sure what, but I don't think those peas are going to do anything for us this year. They've just been chomped too many times. Potatoes have really exploded this last week. I mean, looking wild. Our kale, getting bigger every day. Same with our kohlrabi. Got some really impressive kohlrabis. Also have lost quite a few of these kohlrabis to something. Not sure what though. Our salad greens are probably about a week away from being harvested. We've got a few weeds in here that need to get pulled out. And you can see we've had some squirrels come in and make a few holes for us. It's really interesting over here. These all got burned when we had that cold snap. And so they are quite a bit shorter than these over here that did not get burned, which I found really interesting. I'm kind of curious, you know, how that happened. Also got our spinach over here, which is starting to bolt. So we'll probably pull that out pretty soon. And our carrots, still small. Still small. Those carrots like to take their time. But that's about all we've got for you today, folks. Thanks for tuning in and hanging out, seeing how the farm's doing. We will see you all next week.